guys, again, struggle is real. Ito na siya. Merong 7-Eleven dito sa tapat. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and nandito na nga kami sa NAIA. It's already 2:53 a.m. and we're just waiting for our flight. As you can see sa title guys, pupunta tayo ng Bangkok, Thailand. And yes guys, this is actually my third time na in Bangkok, but matagal na yung last na punta ko doon. So ayun guys, we're just waiting here. Kasama ko of course my husband and yung dalawa naming kaibigan. Okay, so while waiting guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga partial expenses namin dito sa Bangkok trip na to. So meron ako ditong notes. I think ilalagay ko na lang sa screen or sa description box yung aming Thailand expenses. But for now, ito yung aming na bayaran na actually prior to this trip. So of course, we have the plane ticket guys. And ito yung round trip. Yung binayaran namin is 10,570.21 each. At nakuha namin to sa Cebu Pacific. Next naman is yung travel tax. So pag dito nyo kunin yun sa airport, I think it's 1,620. Pero pag online, merong fee na 50 pesos. So 1,670 yung amount niya, yung price. So sa baggage allowance guys, yung papunta kay Charles, yung pabalik is dalawa na kami. So each ay merong 1,650 na binayaran for 20 kilos na baggage allowance. Yung hotel namin guys is nakuha ko sa Agoda, and it's the House Pratunam. The total is 4,022. And then for the tour, we have 3,154 at nakuha ko to sa Klook. Ang pocket money namin, yung dinala ko cash is 10,000 pesos. Pero meron akong extra sa ATM. And for the dinner cruise guys, yung nabayaran namin is 1,100. So a total of 32,166.21 yung initial or yung aming expenses prior ng trip na to. So, hindi ko lang alam guys kung madadagdagan pa yung 10,000 na pocket money namin. So malalaman natin yun mamaya. Currently it's 3 a.m. in the morning and we're still waiting sa aming plane. 7 a.m. pa kasi yung aming flight. Ayan yung current situation dito guys. Wala masyadong tao. Pero for sure, baka mamaya mag-iba na, mag-change gate kami. Baka lang guys Usually kasi ganun. I'm so excited to visit Bangkok again guys. And of course, diba, known kasi yung Bangkok sa street food. So yun yung pinaka-excited ako. And syempre, hindi din mawawala yung shopping. Pagdating namin sa airport, papakita ko din sa inyo yung process na ginagawa namin. Yung mga gagawin nyo pagkadating pa lang sa Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Medyo antok-antok na tayo guys. Pero yun, travel is life. Seat sale is life. Pag seat sale talaga guys, yung mapipili mo lang is yung mga red-eye flight, yung mga nasa 3 a.m., 6 a.m. na flight. Patience lang. Nagtataka pala, bakit medyo may kamahalan yung Thailand na plane ticket namin. Galing pa kasi kami Bacoor guys, and we don't have an international airport there.
Thank you so much for waiting in order to organize the boarding.
So, kailangan namin mag-layover either dito sa Manila, sa NAIA, or sa Cebu. So, yun guys, yung reason why. Siguro from here, baka mga around ano lang yun, mga 6 to 7,000 round trip na. Pero kami, 10,000 pesos. Pero okay na din guys, kasi travel is life, di ba? Iyon na yung pinaka-murang flight for us from Bacolod. Time check guys, it's already 5:48 in the morning and ganito na karami yung tao. Ayan, so di ba kanina wala pa yan?
Bangkok, here we come.
Hey guys, so we're now inside the plane and kaka-take off lang namin. So for those pala ng mga first time traveler going to Thailand, the only requirements na you need to secure is your valid passport, travel tax, and your plane ticket. Before pala kayong pumunta ng immigration, you need to fill out the e-travel form. So, pwede nyo gawin ahead yon, mag-sign up kayo sa etravel.gov.ph or merong mga QR codes sa airport. So, yun lang naman yung dapat yung gawin.
We have just landed.
Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Local time now is 9:34 in the morning. There's an hour time difference between Manila and Bangkok. Bangkok being an hour behind. Ground temperature is 29 degrees Celsius.
Hey guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Yay! We're so excited. Pero after nito, punta pa kami ng immigration and then baggage claim. Okay.
Welcome to Bangkok.
Sawadika!
Kapungka! Hello guys! Ayan, Team Lobster. Team Lobster in
Sawadika!
Sawadika!
Guys, tingnan natin yung exchange rate dito sa Kasingko Corn Thai.
So, PHP...
Paano kasi agaman?
PHP?
Ano?
43.
43.
So, hindi na rin kayo mahirapan guys kasi paglabas nyo, meron ng mga currency exchange counter, tsaka SIM card. So, if hindi kayo nakapag-tulog, it's so easy lang guys. Nandito agad. Pagbungad mo, nandun
Pwede ka
agad
na
yung mga
pumili.
counter. Oo. Yun. So,
Yeah.
medyo mahaba-habang lakaran pa to guys. Tingnan nyo. There.
There it is.
Makakailang ano ka. Ano tawag dito? Wakalator. Makakailang wakalator ka. Yun guys. So, nakalagpas na ako sa immigration. At eto yun. Paglabas nyo ng immigration, nandito na agad yung mga carousel for your luggages. And meron din ditong mga nagbebenta ng SIM cards and ATM. Nandun siya.
Insert your pin.
May 220 na.
No, 220.
รับเงินแล้วอย่าลืมบัตรนะคะ
Okay. Effective ang ano, ang bank.
รับเงินแล้วอย่าลืมบัตรนะคะ
Okay. Got it.
รับเงิน
So, nakuha tayo ng 4,000 baht. I-check ko mamaya kung magkano to in peso. So, every time na withdraw kayo through machine, guys, mayroong 220 na fee. Okay? 220 baht. 4,000 baht.
1,000 baht.
Okay, 4,000 lang muna, guys. So, ayan na guys, nakuha na namin yung aming luggage and mag-exit na tayo dito sa exit B. And pupunta kami ng departure area sa 4th floor dahil doon namin i-claim yung SIM card.
Ay, kumamak ko.
Nandun yung ano ng Klook eh. Yung counter, Klook counter. So, eto, exit na tayo. Ayan na guys, so yan yung departure area. 4th floor. Pupunta kami doon. Okay, so nasa departure area na tayo guys. So, nahanap na lang namin yung Klook desk. Ayan guys, so nahanap na namin yung Klook counter. There. Magkatabi lang sila ng K-Bank. Ayan, dito namin i-claim yung SIM card.
Do you need to insert now?
Yes,
Yes.
Can you take out the cover, please? Phone number.
That's the phone number.
Okay.
Another.
Ang bilis lang guys. Sila na din yung nagkakabit.
Data.
Turn on mobile data.
Airplane mode ka pa. So let's wait.
Ay. I-off lang ang wifi. Off ang wifi.
Okay.
Ayun na.
Ay, translation.
Anyway. Ayun na. Meron na tayong SIM card. Ganyan kabilis. 301 pesos lang guys. Just buy one, get one.
SIM 1. Okay. There. Okay na? Welcome to 5G. Buy one, take one from Cook.
Nice. Ayan guys, so bababa na kami sa basement kasi nandun yung train, yung airport railing. Ay. Ayan guys, so nandito na kami sa basement, sa may airport railing. Nanap na lang namin yung machine for the ticket. Tapos, yung aming hotel is located sa Pratunam area. Yung pangalan niya is The House Pratunam. So, yun yung aming i-explore. So, ayan na tayo. Uy!
Oh yeah. Punggan.
Kakaiba kasi guys yung kanilang ano.
Ayan.
ano.
Tingnan nyo.
So, ayan.
Pababa. Pababa ng pababa.
Okay.
Ay, ato dir. Ito to ko purchase. Ticket vending. Okay.
Dapat dito. Wait lang. Madali siya. Okay, English. So, dapat sa select destination na.
Okay. Number of tickets.
Hindi money dapat to.
So it's 40 baht.
Gusto mo,
Dalon
Four
na
ka
lang
na
ano.
sige.
Dalon na lang.
So, 40 baht lang siya.
160. Ay, wait lang. Hindi siya siguro there. 150-20 lang.
Ay. Wala ta, ano?
Wala to change. Pwede ba hindi na lang?
160.
Ito yung card nila. Token.
Token.
Cute.
Kita. Sila token.
Pero may ang BTS nila. May ano.
Thank
Thank you.
Okay.
เพราะว่าเดินมาแล้วก็มาเข้านี่เลย
So, ayan
Ang
guys.
BTS nila yan. Ang BTS nila, may card na yan. Kaya kung diri, amo ni.
Okay. Kalingaw. Ano na?
Ari yung mga balon.
Balon.
Balon. Okay. So, tap lang na siya.
Okay, let's start. Okay. Locating. Ayan. Sa A7. Ratcha Prarop. Okay. 7. Okay, let's wait. Nagawa pa na din. Okay, go. Okay. Kumakanta ako. It's a run for their lives. So, ano, by how many hours?
1 hour, 20 minutes.
So, later naman guys.
สถานีต่อไปสถานีบ้านทับช้าง
Okay. We're here na. So, yung hanapin namin is ang aming hotel. Okay, bababa muna kami ng station, then maglalakad na kami pupunta ng hotel.
Maps ko.
Look at that, guys. Nasa Bangkok na talaga kami. See? Ah! Ayan, guys. Again, struggle is real. Uwi na. Ayan. Ayan, nakababa na kami ng station. Gusto niyo magpa-surgery? Ayan, nandito na kami guys. Ito na siya. Merong 7-Eleven dito sa tapat. Nalagay lang namin yung mga gamit. Ayan. And, let's go. Okay, dito na. Ayan na siya guys. Finally, we're here. 10 minutes walk from the station. Ito siya. Here. Finally.